Hi, I'm Gina Weir with Signature Travel Network. I'm the Vice President of Training, and I wanted to share with you how much we all enjoyed, and I in particular, Dave from Oak and Reed's, these collaborative workshop sessions that he's been doing for our company. I participated in several myself, and he's just one of the best facilitators I've ever experienced. He has this knack not only for being very engaging in his own presentation, but getting us to really talk to each other and delve into subjects that, perhaps we wouldn't be so comfortable doing that ourselves without his guiding hand. So just love working with him.
Hi, my name's Alex Sharp, and I'm with Signature Travel Network. We had the great pleasure of having Oak and Reed's do some work with our team, do some leadership training, coaching with them, and it's been amazing to see the results, the confidence it gives the team, the way they're working together, the way they're recognizing the opportunities. And I just can't thank Dave enough for his passion, the way he's organized things, and certainly the results we've seen from their training.
Hi, my name is Kelly Daly Melcher with Signature Travel Network. I really appreciate the training that I've received, the management training with Oak and Reed's and Dave especially. Our group did a number of different trainings, and I feel like it really has enhanced my skills as a manager and helped me help my direct report flourish more, which I greatly appreciated. One thing that really stood out to me is the GROW model in coaching, and I have used it both in work and in my personal life. And the skills and techniques that are used are very practical and are easily implemented. I love how Dave took time and effort to listen to everybody's needs and really help people flourish in their positions. So I thank you very much, and I appreciate the opportunity.
I'm Karen Yates with Signature Travel Network, and we just recently finished up a series of management training with Dave Collins with Oak and Reed's. And I really enjoyed the dynamics that we had with our training. It was great to network with my other team members and coworkers. I particularly enjoyed the series that we just finished up on status and power, and also communications, particularly in the remote workplace, because we all work remotely. And so I really enjoyed the questions that he asked, and it stimulated a lot of thought and conversation, particularly the small breakouts on the side where we got to talk in smaller groups with team members that we wouldn't necessarily engage with. So anyway, I would greatly, resoundingly give a positive review for Dave Collins. I've been in my business for 33 years, and I learned new things that I'm going to take with me on to improve how I do business and how I work better with my team members. Thank you so much.
Hi, my name is Eric. I'm the accounting manager here at Signature Travel Network. I was part of the first-time managers coaching session with Dave from Oaks and Reed's. One of the trainings I did like was the collaborative conflict. I feel like that one will help me better manage my direct reports. I know I'll be using those tools moving forward, and I really appreciated the coaching and everything he had to offer.
Hi everyone, my name is Jimmy Sorensen. I am on the hotel team with Signature based in New York. And I just want to thank Signature for the opportunity to have these amazing trainings with Dave. It's been a really great way to collaborate with my colleagues, really help each other maybe work through challenges that we've been facing in the workplace, and just kind of have an open floor communication that feels like it's brought me closer to my peers, and also just given me made me feel like a better manager. So thanks so much for the opportunity, and Dave, it's been great to work with you.
Hi, my name is Jonna Hotchkiss, and I'm the Marketing Services Director at Signature Travel Network. We've been working with Dave from Oak and Reed. One of the trainings that I found most helpful is the one dealing with difficult conversations and it covering emotional intelligence. We really dived into how to better communicate with our team as well as our peers.